beautiful people. So we're done with the whale shark watching, and right now we're waiting for the bus going to Tumalog. We're gonna see the Tumalog Falls today before we go back to Margao. Huh? Yeah, here comes the bus. Dalagit. Come on. So the resort we are staying here in Oslob is located at the town center, and it's 10 minutes away from Tumalog, where the Tumalog Waterfalls is located. So that being said, we need to take a bus going there.
Wait, Mom.
To Tumalog Falls. So we are finally here at the drop-off station, guys, and from here we need to take a motorcycle ride going to the waterfalls. And for our safety, we need to take one motorcycle for each of us going up there to the waterfalls. So we are finally arriving at the second drop-off station going to the waterfalls, and there are more motorcycles here, but we prefer walking down going to the waterfalls instead of taking a motorcycle ride. I like adventure, you know.
I don't know. I know miles, but I know.
Oh, see, I think it's not that far. Look, oh, there's somebody walking.
Kilometers less than a mile, but got my knee last night.
Hold me.
What's that gonna do?
Here, hold here.
Other people doing it. They're probably wishing they would have.
I can hear the waterfalls already, so probably it's not that far anymore. I forgot. I thought it's not that steepy. Let's take a rest first. Someone is complaining about his knee. Yeah. Oops. Empty.
They're probably going to pick up what they took.
Getting close. One more downhill.
A group of people up there or something.
Yeah. So we are now at the entrance of Tumalog Falls. Hi.
Morning, Mom.
Good morning.
Welcome
Pila
to
entrance?
Tumalog Waterfalls. 50 pesos per head, Mom.
I don't think I have small bills. We forgot to.
Again. Di na ba ka mga na mo pagkaon? Ma'am, can I have a name, please? Just spread the next table, ma'am.
Next table, Mom.
Thank
you.
Dito.
Enjoy, Mom.
Enjoy,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
So,
Thank you. Okay, and the next table, 50 per person. Entrance fee here is 50 per person. Just like no in Osminyapik is how much was that? Yeah, say 50. Tumalog Falls. Now let's go and find the falls. That's no, not that's not the one, babe. It's big. It's I mean it's high up there. Wait. Oh, yeah. I guess that's it. I think that's it, babe. That's the falls. Why is it different from the picture?
There might be more somewhere.
It's kind of slippery. Wait. This is it. I'm expecting. Well, it looks better in the picture and in video.
Yeah. It still looks cool, yeah. But,
Do you think it can go like the flow and be heavier later, or the same?
I imagine it changes. I don't know where the water's coming from.
I'm expecting for the heavier flow.
If it rains,
So there's the spot for those pictures I've seen on Facebook. I have to climb in that,
it's not coming up there. And
yeah, and then you propose. Then you propose. I will put the video here. I wonder if the water is warm or cold.
I was wondering that too. I'm thinking everything's cold, but put it in place too, though.
So I finally seen in actual what I have just seen in YouTube and photos in Facebook. But it's not what I expected. Those ones on the pictures are better than in actual.